So these are the election results so far, the governorship election results, those that have already been announced by INEC, and those that were re-elected, and those that just won their seat as governors for the first time. Let me go first to Oyo State. Governor Seyi Makinde has been re-elected. He polled 563,756 to defeat his closest rival, APC, 256,685. Next person is Akwa Ibom. Pastor, he's the new governor-elect of Akwa Ibom State. He polled 354,348. Defeated his closest rival, APC, 129,602. And Ogun State, Governor Dapo Abiodun of Ogun State, he has now been re-elected. He polled 276,298 votes to defeat his closest rival, PDP, 262,383. Then going to Gombe State, APC won with 342,821 to defeat PDP, their closest rival, 233,131. Then back to Yobe State. Yobe won Matawale with 317,113. He has now been re-elected. He defeated his closest rival, PDP, the candidate of PDP, 123 polled 224,259. Then to Jigawa State. Jigawa State, APC won with 618,449 to defeat PDP, being the closest rival, 368,729. Then to Kwara State, Abdulrazaq was re-elected. He polled 273,424 to defeat PDP, their closest rival, 155,490. Then to Katsina State, APC won the state of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Mohammad Buhari. APC won with 859,892, defeating PDP, being the closest rival, 486,620. Then to Kano State, where we got the first 1 million votes in this gubernatorial election. The candidate of APC, NNPP, engineer Abba Yusuf Kabir, he won with 1,019,602 to defeat his closest rival, Nasiru of APC, who polled 890,705. That's a wide margin to me. In Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo won the gubernatorial election, governorship election. He was re-elected. He polled 762,134 votes to defeat his closest rival, GRV Badebo Rose Vival, who polled 312,329 votes in Labour Party. Then to Sokoto, a new party has taken over Sokoto State. Aminu Waziri Tambuwal is the governor of Sokoto State under the platform of PDP, but today, as I speak, APC has taken over Sokoto State. The winner of Sokoto governorship election is Aliyu Ahmed. He polled 453,661 to defeat his closest rival, PDP, Omar Saidu, who polled 404,632. So these are the results so far. Alex Oti is the projected winner of the gubernatorial election in Abia State. Of course, the candidate of Labour Party is likely to be the winner of the gubernatorial election in Enugu State, and of course in Adamawa State. Like I said in my previous video, Senator Binani seemed to have lost that election because Governor Fintri is to be re-elected based on the results announced so far and the ones remaining. So Governor Fintri is on course to be re-elected as the governor of Adamawa State, while we still wait for more results to be released. And PDP is doing well in Rivers State. PDP is on course to win Rivers as well. So we wait for more results, as they keep coming in. Who do you think will win other states? I would like you to comment on this video below.